Leash K9. Today I've got Rex, a 5-month-old chocolate lab. Now Rex here is adorable, but he is a little gremlin. He's got very little recall, and he knows when he's not on leash that he is not, thank you, he knows that when he's not tethered down with a leash, that he is free to go where he pleases, and he can run off. He'll run out the door if he can, and with no recall, you know, it's kind of up to him on when to come back. So that was a big concern from mom and dad. Their long-term goals for him is to hopefully get him to be a service dog. And with stuff like that, you got to start out simple. You got to crawl before you can walk, before you can run. And he's only 5 months old, so he's got a little bit to go. And hopefully we can get him up there. I'd love to see him one day do bigger and better things. So let's run through some commands, see what he's got so far. Consistency is also something he seems to struggle with. Because when I saw him, he did seem to know sit. So, come here, bud. Come here, Rick. You sit. Sit. Nice. Good job. Yeah. You did lay down. 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 Okay. So there he goes. Rex, come here. Come here. Rex, come here. Come here. There we go. Took a little pulling, but we got him over. So that's Rex in a nutshell. He's with us for 2 weeks, so we'll see you in 2 weeks. Yeah, bud.